You might be shocked by the title of this video, and yes, in this video I'll be showing you how I made 2,500 pips trading only one instrument, BTC USD. So welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mike Honora, Empire Trading. As you all know, yes, today's video, yes, it's quite intriguing, right? Yes, exactly. I will show you guys how I actually did this early last week. Yes, or this week, we're Saturday. This week on Monday, I made a pieces, analyzed the instrument, and dropped it in my Discord community. If not joining my Discord community, I doubt you will be getting the updates of all this. So you can join. The link is down in the description box below. So I dropped the signal, yes, for BTC USD long-term shorts. Got two targets, first target and the last target. Last target is about 5,000 pips. First target is 2,500 pips, and luckily we had our entries on Monday. So we entered the instrument on Monday, which we let it run because I knew it was going to be a swing position. So the first take profit was hit on Friday, so we let the position run from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then Friday evening, our take profit was then hit, right? Yes, I'll be showing you guys the way I analyzed and saw that move in this video. So let's head to the video. So guys, this is the BTC USD chart, and here was the entry. We had the entry here on Monday. Then our take profit was smashed yesterday. If you come to the Discord community, you can see where I called out that trade. Basically, this was like I called out the trade, BTC USD, the long-term shorts. This was the target, long-term target, but we had to like take out some positions from the market by having our first take profit and second take profit. And we had our entry, price started moving well the following days, and luckily everything was just fast. Friday got hit. So now I'll be showing you how I got in this position, right? So let me delete let me delete all this, right? So before here, I think we had our entry here. Let's mark this as here. On the week, went to the weekly time frame. And what did I do on the weekly time frame? I just needed to spot out a very strong key level, or a strong key level, support or resistance level that had been tested before in the market. And yes, just basically a very key level. And we can see this level of demand here that drove price this high, that created this all-time high from this low, and it's a very, very, very strong level of what demand. So we plotted out this whole region, and we boxed it out, and can just box it out like this. This is from the weekly time frame. So after having this, my support area that was turned resistance, then price coming back to that key level. Yes, you can see first touch was here, second touch, and the third touch. So this was the general idea with this trade. So we cannot just take trades from the weekly. We moved to the daily time frame. The daily time frame was where the whole magic was happened. Yes, was where the whole magic happened, right? So on the daily time frame, the price had already spiked into that area and created, it would swing high here, a high here that created a king high. I'll call it my king high. If we plot out this area here, and by the way, before that high, I used my volume weighted moving average and plotted from the low of the range, and we saw that we were just trading in the VWAP. That means we were just ranging, waiting for a big move, breakout from the VWAP, right? So this was on the daily time frame, and we saw this weakness. Price closed doji. The next day was a small bearish candle, and the next day also a doji candle. Weakness in no bullish momentum, as you can see how price moved here with large bullish momentum. Moreover, I know that price had been ranging before the pump up. So this is a kind of ideology I use to like judge the market for big moves in the market. When there is a range in the market usually breaks to any side, then induce the opposite direction. So now you can see that buyers were being induced for sellers to enter in the market, and that was the general idea of this whole trade, and that gave me confidence. Then down to the 4-hour time frame, I spotted what's my head and shoulder. That was what gave me the confidence, or the final confirmation to enter this trade, right? So down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this was the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, right? And the right shoulder was forming. Mind you, we're still trading in between the VWAP. Now price testing this upper band of the VWAP, closing below it, then I had the entry in this manner, kind of. Yes, I had the entry in this manner. I kept my stop above that swing high there. So if price was to really even trade above this place, we could see positions, or see opportunities to still short to the downside, right? But rather price just respected this whole area and this whole band here. You can see the first day ended in profits. The Monday, it was a profitable day, but on Tuesday price pulled back. But as price was pulling back, price pulled back in that VWAP, the upper band, and tested it. You can see it tested it before the breakdown, breakout. And this was our first target here. The first target was here, right? The first target was this low here. You can see price is just at that low. It's not just reacting to that low, right? And this was the target. You can see entry, you can see, yes, about 2,500 pips, right? This was the first target, a very, very good position. This was the first target, yeah. Then the second target was this, because I have a long-term short opportunity on BTC USD. So we had 2 entries on this position, and the last entry was, okay, the last take profit was going to be around here, I guess. Yes, around this region here. So price will just break out from that range and we trade down. So I currently had 2 positions. I currently have only 1 position running, and that is like a free runner to hit the last TP. If price is to reverse, come back to this whole area, I am not even bothered, because the I'm very okay with the money I made from this whole turnaround, 2,500 pips move already on BTC. So I have this last TP as the free runner, right? You can see that. So in the Discord community, you can see how I updated everyone. 2,700 pips hit already on this. I closed with 2,500 pips. Target smashed here. This is enough for me. I won't lie, this is enough for me for the month. This is enough. I just needed this banger trade. This is enough for me. So yes, that's it. That's how I caught the position, and that's how I had the entry. If you notice, I didn't go down to the 1 hour 15 minutes, and because this was a like swing position, I had to like find higher time frame confirmations, not lower time frame confirmations. So the fact that I needed to swing the position, right? And this is how I caught the position. And yes, guys, you could see how I easily caught that position. Just simple analysis, simple break and retest of a key level, and finding confirmations of head and shoulder in the 4 hour, and that was the banger, right? So guys, every week I'll be releasing my newsletter containing 5 watch lists I'm having for the week, analyzing those 5 pairs and sharing with you guys what I am expecting on that pair for the upcoming week, or for the week in general, like the week in general, right? If you're interested in this sort of content or sort of information, if you may, you can just click the link down in the description box down there for you to subscribe to the newsletter and follow my socials. And that's that for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next